When I was trying to relocate the kill switch, it kind of fell apart, so I ordered a new one from Tusk. So let's get this one installed. So we cut the old zip ties and got the old kill switch off. And these, you literally just have to pull apart, just like that. And then the new kill switch, you'll just be able to plug that back in and then get some zip ties and zip tie that back up on the handlebars, and then you're good. I didn't find any zip ties to zip tie this up to the handlebars. All you have to do is zip tie that up to the bottom of your bars and then hook it up right there. And then your kill switch is all wired up and ready to go.